values with which we have founded the institute is excellence with equity. Dr. Rao came from US with the dream that the excellent eye care that is available to the richest of the rich in the US, whether it can be transplanted and can be provided to the poorest of the poor in our country. So it is with that mission that we have started LV Prasad Eye Institute. The foundation on which we work is that no treatment, however complex, shall be refused on financial grounds to anybody who walks into the premises of the institute. We are very proud that our patient counselors can actually walk to the doctor and tell them that unless you make this economy package or totally free, the patient will not be able to afford the treatment and he will run away. So you make the changes that are required so that we can continue to take care of everybody that walks into the premises of the institute. One of the other things that we have done is we have realized that giving care to people who walk into the premises in Banjara Hills is not sufficient because the poorest of the poor are not present in Hyderabad but in the remote villages. So we have taken our care, our philosophy to the remote villages, and there are 110 vision centers, as we call them, in the remote rural parts of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana now. We have to separate the two. So that is how our care has gone to the doorstep of the people who actually need and deserve that care. All this would not have been possible without the support of friends and sympathizers and philosophers like the Universal Care Foundation that we are sharing with today. Dr. Rao is fond of talking about 3 T's that people have shared with us: their time, their talent and their treasure. So it is with this like-minded people and the support that we get from people all over the world that we are able to continue our mission. In that ability to continue our mission of taking care of everybody, the other group that helps us immensely is our staff, because they work long hours and they dedicate their services to our patients, and one of the strongest groups that does that to the patients is sitting here, and I want to acknowledge their presence and thank all of them. All this would not be possible by sitting in the 6th floor. The action actually takes place on the ground in different floors and in front of the patients, and it is these people that make sure that our equity is actually practiced on the floor, and that's why I want to thank all of them. Thank you once again.